how to take a GMetrix practice exam. So to do that, we're going to scroll down to this folder, the GMetrix practice exams in the associate level, which is located right after Module 7 and Capstone 2, Modules 4 to 7. So you see there's multiple versions of practice exam 1. This is the training mode. We're going to open it in the testing mode so you'll see exactly what the test looks like. So when this happens, it launches a new tab, as you see up here. The first time, I can't pull this out of the way. The first time it asks you to download the software. I had already completed that task, so now the software is downloaded. Okay, so here's what the screen looks like. I've highlighted the bottom parts in blue, and I opened this previously, so it took me back to where I started. And this is actually in the training mode, not the testing mode, and you know that because it's got 3 hours. A testing mode will give you 50 minutes. Okay, so on this side, we see that we're on the second of 7 projects. This is how you change your text size. And this tells you about the interface a little bit. Okay, so on this side, we have a summary that will show us what tasks we have completed and what we have yet to complete. So if we've completed it, a green check mark will appear here. If we marked it for review, a red X will be here, or some kind of indicator. And then here it says we've completed the task. So we can select a task and jump right to that task wherever we go. Okay, so now we're at project 1. And so that was summary. We can restart a project if we want to try it over and over. When you save a project, it saves and exits and gives you, as it says there, let me unhighlight that. So it says save and exit. And project is just grade this project, tell you how you did. You don't have to worry about that. When you save and exit, it auto grades everything. And if you run out of time, then it will save and exit the project as well. So time really is your biggest enemy in completing an exam successfully. Okay, so we have an overview, and then we have a series of tasks. And so these tasks are based on instructions that are written right here. And so what you're supposed to do in this one is a row 4, A4 through D4. So we select those, and we're supposed to remove the formatting. Gee, how do you remove formatting? So you have to know how to do that. That is the goal of this assignment. And so there's multiple ways to do that, but that's not the right way. Okay, so when you complete this, then you would move on to the next task. Okay, so I'm going to mark that for review. And now when we go to the summary, we see that it is now marked or check marked there as review. Showed I've looked at these two and I've reviewed that one. So we're just going to cancel and go back. So this is how you do it. Then when you're finished, you will say save and exit. Now you have 2 choices. Local is a very fast save. The cloud is a very slow save. So I suggest just saving it locally. You see that it closed that. It says you have successfully, sorry about my screen share thing coming up here. It says I have successfully submitted that. So I click close here and I click close here. And that takes us back to Blackboard. So you'll need to do those steps. I do not have full instructions in written form, but I will attach this video right there where in that folder so you can watch it anytime you want to. I love computers.